Okay, so this is my video for Video Journal 2 of Capstone. So last week, we were all set to interview Chocolate Myers, but he called Chip Lane, who was our point of contact over there at the transportation center, called him and he had to cancel the interview. So instead, we went up to the transportation center and we got a lot of shots of the race car. It hadn't been touched, it hadn't been worked on yet. So we got a lot of shots of the transportation, I guess the refurbished room where the car is at. Got lots of shots of the car from the side, underneath, you name it, we shot it. And we got good looks of inside the facility where we're working and some of the workers and those type of things. Just basically we want to kind of try to document from beginning to end the refabrication of the vehicle. Now this week, they started working on the vehicle. The reason why we didn't go and shoot today is because they're starting today, so there's not going to be a whole lot done to it that really needs to be shot just yet. Next week, Chocolate Myers should be in town, and we're going to go interview him and get some updated shots of the vehicle and the progress that's been made so far. So that's really where we're at right now. Still in the beginning phases, but a lot of good shots of the car, untouched, unworked on, and progress as the car is being refurbished. We will get shots of that, and we'll talk to Chocolate Myers next week.